Hello everyone, this is Angel from Fenstech Window Machinery in China. I'm standing in our UPVC window machinery assembling plant. Today I want to introduce our vertical 4-point welding machine. This is our vertical 4-point welding machine. For this machine, we can do 1-layer welding, 2-layer welding, 3-layer welding, or 4-layer welding according to your requirement. For this machine, we do some special design for our domestic customer. This customer has the 3-layer welding requirement for American profiles. As we know, for the American profiles, the profiles is very slight. Also, for there are some various small chamber. Also, the thickness is very thin. For this profile has a high level requirement about the welding result. If your welding machine don't have the good welding result, the profile surface very easy to damage when do the welding. According to this profiles, this customer's requirement, we design this 3-layer welding machines. For these machines, we do some special design for 3 layers. The first special design is our welding blocks. Let us see our welding blocks. You can see our welding blocks. We install 2 springs between 3-layer welding blocks. We can make sure when do the welding, the 3-layer welding blocks can go down in one time to make sure the synchronism when do the welding also can make sure our welding results. Another side, yes, we can see 3 layers welding blocks go down in one time to make sure 3 layers welding has the same pressure when do the welding. Also, for our welding plate, the heating plate, it is a hole with the same temperature about the 3 layers. Also can make sure our welding result. For this machine, it is a fully automatic CNC machine. This is our controlling system. It's just like a computer. We adopt the Windows environment. You can input your needful size in this computer, and the machine head will move to the exact position automatically. Now we can see the input Windows size. Here you can see you can input your needful Windows size on the screen. For this machine, the minimum Windows welding size is 480 mm and 480 mm. The maximum Windows size can welding 1,800 mm and 2,800 millimeters. For this machine, I want to introduce our special advantage contrast with other suppliers. The first important special advantage is we usually adopt best quality international famous brand for important spare parts. Just like for our cylinder, we usually adopt the SMC brand. For this solenoid valve, we also adopt SMC brand. SMC brand. Also, for our servo motor, we adopt Schneider. This is Schneider brand. Secondly, I want to introduce contrast with other model. This machine, we do some special upgrading design. Just like this is our locating plate, this is our heating plate. For this two plate feeding, now we use the square rail. We use the square rail to feed these two plates more stable and to make sure our welding result is better. Now let us invite our engineer to demo this machine. Firstly, let us choose the needful size on this screen. This is the inch. We can do some special design according to customers' requirement. Now, machine head is moved to exact position automatically. Put 4-piece profiles on welding machine. Now, with the limited of time, we only do the 1 layer welding, but for this machine, can do 3 layers welding. For the American profile, it's very slight. Also, the type is different and various. Okay, now machine is welding.
把主动摔了，它摔了，完了这儿摔，头顶上，它插上去，它是给你摔下来了，一个塑料的，一个黑的。啊对呀，咱不掉了，它摔掉了，原来是刚一个插头插上去，它现在是。
Okay, now let us see the welding result. This is our machine's welding result. It is American profile. Okay, this is our vertical 4-point welding machine. Till now, many customers maybe have a question. You had straight line 4-head welding machine, vertical 4-point welding machine, and horizontal 4-point welding machine. How can I choose? Now I can explain. For our vertical 4-point welding machine, it has the higher production capacity than straight line 4-head welding machine. Also, for our vertical 4-point welding machine, the welding result is better than straight line 4-head welding machine because this machine can weld 4 corners in one time. But for straight line 4-head welding machine, for one unit need 2 times welding. So this machine's welding result is better than straight line 4-head welding machine. Contrast with horizontal 4-point welding machine. This machine is occupied less space in your factory. If your factory don't have big space, you can choose this machine. Also, contrast with horizontal 4-point welding machine. This machine is an economical model. The cost is economical. For horizontal 4-point welding machine, can connection with cleaning machine, do the welding and cleaning production line, but this machine cannot. If in the future you don't have the welding and cleaning production line requirement, also you're considering the cost problem, you can choose this machine. It is an economical model with a high production capacity. Okay, hope my explanation make you help you understand our straight line forehead welding machine, vertical 4-point welding machine, horizontal 4-point welding machine very well. If you have any questions, please drop message here or do some comments in our account. We will reply you immediately as we can. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.